Garden route appears to be over its second wave peak, but local healthcare workers say pressures in district hospitals haven't let up. In Mossel Bay, one of the hotspot communities in the district, active infections jumped to 796 this weekend. While large numbers of local law enforcers recover from COVID-19, army reinforcements were called in to help crack the whip. Our reporter Natalie Malgas is in the area and filed this report.
The COVID picture is still fragile along the Garden route. Officials here say the next few weeks are critical. In Mossel Bay, the holiday migration almost certainly impacted daily infections.
We also thought it was coming down. We even came to around 600 and a little bit below 600 active cases. So that's just the active cases. Unfortunately, it's a little bit up now again. We think that it might be connected to the holiday season and holiday makers that's here and that's going back. But our hospital, it's currently very stable at around anything from 8 to 14, 15 patients, COVID patients in the hospital, excluding now our PUIs. So things are looking better. And we're quite positive that things are going better, especially now with the holiday makers going back.
A dozen patients lie in the once pediatric unit of the Mossel Bay Public Hospital. The ward had to be repurposed as pressure surged.
The difficulty is that the patients that are sick, they are very sick than the first time. They are not just on normal oxygen, we also give them the double oxygen, of which we put in the nasal prongs, and then we also give in a mask. So they need more care than initially. But we were still lucky because most of our patients survive. But we did have patients that we lost. It's like the first time that every day there is a patient there.
This week, Gift of the Givers delivered much-needed PPE and life-saving equipment, including the much-talked-about CPAP oxygen machine.
We usually discharge them when they are set, that is oxygen saturation is above 90. So this is going to happen. Instead of them staying for longer in the hospital, they are going to recover much quicker.
District health officials are cautiously optimistic the downward turn in COVID cases in the Garden route will hold. Natalie Malgas, Mossel Bay.